This is Tim. In this video, I'll show you how to easily replace a socket outlet with a USB charger. You can choose from two types: a charger with 2 times a USB-C connection, a charger with a combination of a USB-A and a USB-C connection. Tim has chosen the USB-A and a USB-C connection. All you need are 2 screwdrivers, slot head and Phillips head, a multimeter, 1 wire clip and, yes, your new USB charger with accompanying finishing set, of course. Safety first. Switch off the device at the fuse box and check with the multimeter whether the voltage has ceased. First, remove the finishing from the existing socket outlet. Find the recess in the faceplate and prise it loose with a screwdriver. Then the finishing set. For this, you loosen the middle screw and remove the finishing set from the mechanism. Demount the mechanism for the socket outlet you want to replace. First, loosen the 2 left and right screws, so you can remove the mechanism from the wall. Once you've done that, loosen the connected wiring by loosening the screws at the top. If, like Tim, you're working with flush mounting boxes for hollow walls, remove the claw fixing from the USB charger by loosening the screws on both sides. Then connect the USB charger's mechanism to the wiring already present. This yellow-green wire here is the earthing wire. You don't need this, so attach a wire clip to it. After that, put the blue wire into the N connection and the brown one into the L connection on the USB charger. Then just tighten the screws to clasp the wiring. Are the colors of your wiring different, or are you unsure? Then you're best off contacting an installer. Finally, loosen the wall box fastening screws just enough outwards that you can click your USB charger's mechanism over the top. Make sure all the wiring is snugly inside the wall box, and then put the mechanism over the loosened screws via the recess provided in the metal frame. Make sure it's positioned straight and then tighten the screws again. The mechanism is connected. Now you can mount the finishing on top. Attach the finishing set by clicking it on. Then click the faceplate back on top. Push the faceplate firmly so all the sides fit snugly. Switch the fuse back on and done. From now on, you can very easily charge your smartphone or tablet via your smart USB charger. Handy.